Now, just as I've been going along, you can see I put in the insulation here, I put in the sole plate there. I copied these battens here and put them in that position there. I extended down that wall a little bit as well. And as I've been going, I've been adding surface colors to the various different elements as well. Again, I'm in hidden line here, but I'm throwing a bit of color into this as well. So if I go back into my north elevation, right? So I'm going to do this. I wanted to show you a quick way of doing this floor here. So I'm literally going to take this one. I'm going to copy. Okay, bring it over here. Find a spot there. Copy it into position. Escape, escape. Okay, now I'm going to select this. I'm going to edit in place. I'm going to select the group. I'm going to edit the group. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to copy. I'm going to do a couple of those. Okay, escape, finish that, and finish here. Now that's that floor in place as well there now. What we've got in here is a cement board, a kind of a waterproof plaster, or plaster with a waterproof plasticizer or something like that in it as well. And then we've got a tile here. Okay, now that has been done because obviously this is in a changing room area, and that is probably the same as well. So it'll be the same process again. I will put in this layer here. I might put in a small little 2mm layer for the plaster onto which the tile is fixed, and I'll do the tiles as well. So you could see it was just so easy to be able to take these two, copy them, and position them in here, take that, copy it, edit it, and add on the 2 extra layers there. And so we're getting up as far as here now. So you can see this is coming together nicely. The other bit I have to do is I have to put the waterproof layer on here. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to put the waterproof layer on first. I'm going to do a counter flashing on the waterproof, which will come out a little bit here and come down there, and then I will put a drip. I'll maybe put the drip. Oh, that's interesting because that's vertical. That waterproofing is going to have to go in here. Okay, it's going to have to go into the back, and be fixed in. Would those battens come the whole way down here? That's a good question. I don't think so. I think that they won't. Now, again, this is what I mean about this process. When you start to do this in individual layers like this, the thinking starts to happen. So, if I select that one, I go to a 3D here now. Okay. And I'm going to edit in place. I'm going to select, and then I'm going to edit the group. Okay, and now I'm going to select the battens. All right, and then these are going to come up, right, even a little bit more. I think they're going to come up to the top here, something like that. Finish and finish. Now, I'm going to take this here one, but I'm going to do it in the north elevation. And I'm going to edit in place. And I'm going to select it. I'm going to edit the group, select that, and pull it out as far as there. Now, that's the way I think that's going to be done. So the insulation will put here. That means that this vapor barrier that we have here can actually slide in under the waterproofing there as well. All right, so let's finish that. Finish that. Now let's select, if we can, the waterproofing here. Edit in place. Okay, select it. Edit group. Now, and select that. Okay. So I want to edit the extrusion in this case here. So let's get rid of this, this. All right. And we'll put in a line here, approx. Yeah, we'll go from there across to here, and maybe across to there. And actually, I'll come down 1 mil here. Okay, escape. I want to offset this 1 mil. Okay, let's trim those two. Okay, and let's trim this one and this one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete that one altogether, because as I thought, it's way too big. So we'll do our offset again here. Now let's fillet these two. Now if there's nothing miscellaneous in around here, that should be okay. Lines don't intersect each other. Okay, so escape. Let's just see if we got anything there. Delete. No. Oh yeah, do you know what? I think it's over here. That's okay. That's okay. I think it's this one here. This one to this one. Okay. No, it still doesn't like it. Continue. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, it was up the top here. This one to that one. Now, oh, still another one. This one here. Continue. Oh, sometimes it can be hard to see. Let's just move that down. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's done. Alright, and we will finish that, and we will finish this. Okay, go into 3D. Now, get the idea. Alright, so back into the north. Now, what I'm going to do is, so I've got I might have to chamfer that batten or something like that, or stop that batten there, bring those battens up a little bit higher. I'll do that. So what have I got now? I've got my waterproofing to go in at the back of the battens here as well. I'll do the counter flashing there. I'm going to bring those battens all the way up here, because I'll do the waterproofing. I'll do a counter flashing, and then I'll do a drip here. That's how I'm going to organise that. But those battens will have to come up maybe to the underside here, something like that, in order for me to do that. Okay.